Today we are diving into something that's super important in any crochet project that you do, and that is tension. Hello my crochet friends, I am Diana and welcome to my channel, Scrappy Warrior Woman. I created this channel as a way to teach my friends how to crochet, so if you are new here, you are a new friend, and I am so glad that you're here. If you're returning, thank you so much, I appreciate it. Okay, first things first, let's understand what tension is. Tension refers to the tightness or looseness of your stitches. So why is tension important? It ensures the consistency in your stitches, resulting in a beautifully finished project. Whether you're crocheting a blanket, an amigurumi, or a plushie. My biggest piece of advice when you are learning how to crochet and your tension is to practice. Practice, practice, practice. I know it can be tedious, but tension's really, really important. Some of the common problems that you will have if you're first starting out, if your stitches or your chains are too tight. There may be a few reasons why your tension is so tight. It could be that you're trying to crochet super hard. I did that. Just relax and loosen your tension. You don't have to be super hard when you're crocheting. And that's especially important to know about amigurumi. You want your stitches to be tight, but that does not mean that your tension has to be super tight. So if you can't get your hook in, that may be a good indicator that your stitches may be too tight for you. Loosen your grip on your yarn, that will help. Okay, now you may have the other problem where your tension is too loose and you have big gaps. Now if you're making amigurumi, that's important to realize what your yarn size is and what your hook size is. I do talk about that in two different videos I have. I have a part 1 and a part 2 that will help you to be more successful in crocheting dolls or amigurumi or plushie or however you want to refer to them as. If your tension is too loose, you need to tighten up your tension. So if you have spaces in your work or if your stitches are uneven, just tighten it up just a little bit and adjust. As you practice, you will feel more confident in your tension. I know you don't want to hear that because we're in an instantaneous world. We want everything fast, but this is one of those things that really just doesn't come fast. You just have to practice and practice. Your tension actually can change from day to day. It can change from you setting it down to go get something to eat and 10 minutes later you show back up and pick it up again. Your tension can be different. So just be patient with the process. It's gonna take some time. And it's okay because once you get it down and you get more experience, your tension will be the same. So for my tutorial today, I'm going to be using acrylic yarn and I am gonna start with the basic chaining demonstration on how I use my hands and how I hold the yarn. My opposite hand that is not holding the hook is going to create the tension or how tight my yarn is going to be. So I personally like to wrap it around my pinky and then wrap it around my forefinger. Hold the bottom of the knot. This gives you tension. If you don't have that tension, you're not going to be able to do much of anything. Your hook and your pencil grip, you're going to take your hook and with the curved part, you are going to take it under the yarn, grab it with the hook, and pull up. Now, as I chain, I move my hand up. So the part that is holding to the piece of material that I'm going to be crocheting. So here I am going to do it again. Take it under with the hook, pull up. Did you see my fingers? I moved up to the third one. Take it under with the hook, pull up. If you look, my chains are fairly even. Okay, that's what you want. That's the look that you want. You don't want it too big, you don't want it too tight. You want it like this. So I suggest that you pause the video and that you practice chaining. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, as this actually helps my channel to grow and to find other creators just like you. And if you hit the notification bell, it will let you know of upcoming videos that I post. So happy crocheting. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Bye. Not really. That's a total lie right there. That's wrong.